Hi guys, in this video we will see an exercise on ClickView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to provide animation to a chart in ClickView. You can select any of the chart which is available in ClickView. So right now I'm here is going to select a chart that is going to be a bar chart, basic bar chart. So I've loaded a data. I'll press Ctrl E, or you can go over here. You can see this edit script. So I have loaded a data named as Office City Sales, and the Office City Sales table is being selected. I'll click on OK. I'll click on Reload button. So the data is going to be loaded in this particular main sheet. Right click over here, go to New Sheet Object, select the chart, select this basic chart, that is bar chart. Click on Next. Then from here we can select any of the dimension. I'll select the dimension named as Market. Click on Add. I'll remove it. I'll select the table first. From the Office City Sales table, I will add this particular market dimension, add it, and go to this particular button named as Animate. Click on Animate. Click on this Animate First Dimension. Show animation dimension value. OK. Click on Next. Now we have to select the expression. The aggregation first. Aggregation is sum from the table Office City Sales. Then field is Office Sales. Paste it. OK. Click on Next. Next. If you want to change the orientation, you can change it. So right now I keep it as it is. Click on Next. Next. If you want multicolored, you can select it to multicolored. Next. 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 Finish. So this is basically a bar chart which is being created. So on the x-axis there will be market, and on the y-axis there will be sum of sales. So expression will be on the y-axis, and on the x-axis there will be dimension. So dimension is market, and expression y-axis, that is nothing but sum of sales. So I'll play this. So we can see that there will be changes. So in this way you can see that central market, east market, south and west market. So accordingly the bar chart is going to get changed. So I hope you have understood how to provide animation to a chart. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.